there is nothing we cannot do. It's really a matter of setting a focused goal, because without a target, you'll miss it every time. Picking a target and then picking the steps along the way and realizing that all the resources, all the capital, all the expertise is there. But ultimately, it's only going to be tapped if that target is in your heart and your soul.
Morning, guys! What am I doing? You don't know it's the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Punky right here. Punky, you're not complete the intro. You don't know. Intro that Melika. Punky right here, that's late. Yo, you don't know it's the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! I wanted them. Punky, vlog. All girl come up. Start to watch the river. Guys, we're heading to the river right now. You got a river? A kid. What the boy the name? What in a one cartoon? One Chinese cartoon. Shit, man. You know. What's the river? Shaolin Shoda. Shaolin Shoda. No, you're just a tourist. That's weird. No, man, yes, I'm not coming on. Hey, remember go look for the river. Yeah. You wet up, Shani? Oh. Swim. Oh, we're gonna look for the river and come back. I'm gonna go on the hill this morning. They come. You know how long me not come here, so? You know how long me not come here, so? I can't believe I'm so excited to go to the river. One thing about the river, on the way power, you know? The fresh, you get the oxygen here is so clean, it's fresh. It's kind of fun. Yo, you can't believe some of the right side. It's a little stream like, but come go in there now. Heading back up now. Yeah. Yes, what are you doing? Mosquito bite you? So funny in pyjama. You so far river Tywin? You swim? Oh, you swim?
I do not give you permission to video me.
Go. Report it to YouTube. I'm gonna do some walking now.
You know that one, Melika?
Yeah.
Let me give you a legal fact.
Shanta, I can't take your legal facts now.
But this is important to you, alright, pussy, alright.
Alright, tell me legal facts.
Okay.
Tell me the legal facts.
It's okay.
Tell me the legal facts.
Alright.
Somebody do your outfit of the day for me. Please.
That's the outfit.
Yes, my workout outfit, bruh. You know something like a style, baby G? I want to do it now before I go up the hill and sweat up. Punky some enough sweat. Anyways, I'm gonna do some walking now. The hill, try to exercise. I haven't been exercising from when, and that's so bad of me. I've gained weight. From let's come just eat non-stop. Sing string. But I shake up my follow grounds and now, man. Shake up my follow grounds and now. Right now, I'm doing my walking for the morning. I'm going to do 15 to 30 minutes of HIIT cardio, high interval workout. That's cardio to lose fat. Yeah, 15 to 30 minutes. I'm going to pressure myself, as I say. Trying to get that workout in. If anything else, I'll zoom back in with you guys later on today. Hi, good morning, guys. Good day. It's not morning, it's afternoon now. We're actually going for lunch. Camera looks up. Actually going for lunch. Oh, I feel so. You ever go in the elevator and if I'm prepared that your head just go up it?
You say it big?
Duh. Let me say it. So we're actually going on the road for lunch today. Today is Friday, May 26th. We're finally knowing date. We never know date for the vlog then. What time?
12:25.
12:25. So this is like an official vlog with the date and the time. Huh? That's how I talk loud. So we're heading on the hip strip. I'm gonna have a bad lunch today. I'm gonna eat burger for lunch today, but collarbone's still up. Me I got gym tomorrow. It's my first day in the gym, actually, for a very long time. But I want to like start tightening up my skin. So I'm going to the gym tomorrow. I'm pretty excited about that. You know what I'm saying vlog? How long did I see it?
What is here? Okay, I'm going to have a
Make a wetty wet up.
No. That's not over. I'm going to make a business. I'm an idiot.
But no, see nothing. So that's what we're doing now, guys. Stay tuned. Thank you. Yes, so when I finish eating, actually Tamika got back up on the counter and we didn't drink any soda, guys. We took orange juice. I could go all out with soda. I don't drink soda anymore. We took orange juice and stuff. So yeah, she's back now. So we are gonna devour this right now, but that view though, that view though, I like it. So we're gonna devour this now and spend some time with Faye. Guys, we got a chicken sandwich and burger. Can't wait. Catamaran. Tamika and I need to go on one. Let me take a place. I'm gonna zoom in on them. Yo, phone terribly in the man. Guys, we're on our way going back up now. What? Going back up. Going back up. I saw them paint over it on a new tile. I mean, there's no way they're going to dig up the tile and put one new tile.
You see, I took my break. Why you want to dig up the Jamaica?
Alright, I'm not fed. I'm hot. Yeah, so we had a good lunch, a little bit of chill time and stuff. Tongues and stuff. So this is where I end this clip of hair. If you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button and definitely show the love. Leave a comment below. I want to hear from you. Tell me what video you want to see from me next. I'm waiting.